OnePlus has just expanded its Ace 5 series of budget flagship lineup. The two new models are the Ace 5 Ultra and Ace 5 Racing Edition. It is offered in Breeze Blue, Burning Titanium, and Phantom Black. The OnePlus Ace 5 Racing Edition sports a 6.77-inch AMOLED display with an FHD Plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1,300 nits of peak brightness. This model is equipped with the Dimensity 9400E, pairs this with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. The rear has a 50MP main camera and a 2MP monochrome sensor, a 16MP selfie shooter. The OnePlus Ace 5 Racing Edition is powered by a 7,100 mAh battery pack with 80W wired fast charging. The OnePlus Ace 5 Racing Edition is priced at 1,799 Chinese yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.